Hey guys, how you doing? Matt Kelly here with Detailing World, and we're going to teach you how to use the ultimate one-step system, and that's by Hydro Silex using the Rupus LHR 15 Mark III. We're going to show you how to remove some scratches. So first thing you want to do is shake up your product, make sure that everything is mixed up proper, and you're only going to use a few pea-size drops. So about 4 pea-size drop on the 5-inch pad is more than enough for you to get the job done. And as you can see here, I 50-50, so we're going to correct one side so you can see the absolute difference. With a little bit of time lapse in there, we got it done pretty quickly, but basically just a 3-pass checkerboard type of style, using pressure in the beginning with the last pass with just the weight of the tool. Let's wipe this off and see what we got left. All right, and we'll pull the tape here. As you can see, the before here and the after, right? Pretty corrected. And there's no fillers in this product either. So when you actually surface prep to apply your coating, nothing's gonna come back, it's completely gone. So check out Hydro Silex on detailtheworld.com and get the fastest cutting system out there today.